Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload YouTube Shorts. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube and you simply need to log in into your YouTube account where you want to upload a video. Then you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and here you can see different options. So click on create a short. So here you have different options. You can create short by clicking here. So let me create. Okay, so I created a video. Then you simply need to whatever you want to do, you can do from here. You can flip, you can change speed, timer effects, green screen, retouch, filter, align, lighting. So it is up to you. So after that, so let me click on save and exit. Okay, but you can select different things. Okay, so click on continue, click on tick mark, and here you simply need to add sound, text, timeline, filter. So it is up to you. Click on next again, and on here you need to add titles and other details, and then you simply need to click on upload short. So this is the process by which you can upload short on YouTube. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.